Hello, in today's video we're going to see how to fetch a web page, analyze it and get some data from it. In this example I'm taking the about web page of my YouTube account, my YouTube channel, and showing the amount of subscribers and views. By the way, don't forget to subscribe my channel. As you can see, I'm only using a nodemcu based on the esp8266 chip. This is my about web page of my YouTube channel. As you can see, I want to fetch those two numbers. Let's view the source code of the web page. As you can see, it got lots and lots of garbage. I cannot parse this because it is too long. It will take me too much effort to try to analyze this web page. There is something else that we can do. We can use ThingSpeak. I only want those two numbers. I'm on ThingSpeak. I open an account, it's free. I'm going to Think HTTP, creating a new Think HTTP. Just call it whatever name that you want. In the URL, I'm inserting the web page that I want to analyze to get the info out of. A get method. And you should probably use HTTP version 1, but 1.1 will work as well. Now we got to insert a parse string. What is a parse string? Open a web page only in the Chrome browser. And do inspect. As you can see whatever element that you want, the exact location on it. The level that you need to traverse in an XML file or in whatever parsing method that you wish. Choose the exact information that you want. Now do a copy, but not just a simple copy. You need to copy the XPath. Copy the XPath. We got it. Now let's go back to the ThingSpeak and we paste what we got in the parse string. This is all we need in order to see the viewers and subscribers. Let's create it. And it was created. Now we got a link. Copy it. Now let's try it and see if it works. As you can see, this is what I got. This is a way more easy web page to analyze and parse. Let's see the source code of it. Very simple to parse. As you can see, we got a B, a bold delimiter on both of the numbers. We only need to parse it by picking up the number that is written inside a bold tag. Very easy. This is a terminal output from the ESP. It is outputting all the lines that it is getting from on the serial. It is now connected to the internet. This is all the garbage that we get. The only stuff that I'm interested in is the HTML code. By the way, you can also take the date and time out of it. Simply add an hour or so to whatever Greenwich Mean Time relative location that you are at. Now all we need to do is look for a bolt, an open bolt tag and a closing bolt tag. This is the code. Simply initiating the liquid crystal display. Over here enter your router ID name and password. This is the link, the host name, API ThingSpeak. This is a simple function that finds a text in a given string and returns its location. Seek a needle in a haystack from location. Let's begin. Initiating serial, initiating the LCD display, blinking it just for fun, connecting to the router, to the Wi-Fi router. Up until now it is quite basic. Now we are going to do a GET request using the exact link that we got. The host is written above. It simply adds it to the string. This is the host. Afterwards we add the path. Get. This is the format of the GET request. Now we are fetching lines until an end of a line. The /r is the end of the line. Now we are declaring a start location and an end location. We are looking for both tags, the bold and the end bold. If we found something, we need to display. The first thing that we find is the subscriptions. We are simply using a string as an array of chars, passing each char, each string cell, in order to display the number that is inside the bold tags. We do the same thing all over again, but we need to search after we found the first one, the first occurrence, because the bold tag is placed twice in the string, one for the subs and another one for the views. And if we found another bold tag, closing and opening and closing, my mistake, we simply print the value. Move on any cell of the string and displaying it. That's the entire code. Afterward, before it does refresh, I did a nice blink to let you know that the data was refreshed. It's a very simple code. Let's go over the wiring. The ground is connected to the nodemcu ground. The VCC is connected to a 3.3 volts.
pin. If you want to make a brighter display, you can connect it to the 5 volts, but you also need to connect a logic level converter for the I2C bus if you don't want to damage your nodemcu unit. And the SDA and SCL units, pins are connected to D1 and D2. Very easy connection scheme. This part costs about $2 and this nodemcu unit costs about $4. Bye now.